Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the keyboard and tablet. This prevents interruptions. Once the keyboard shows pairing LED, open Bluetooth on your tablet and scan. Make sure to pick the exact device name shown on the keyboard to avoid pairing other gear. If a PIN appears, enter it quickly. Some tablets accept a one-time code automatically. After pairing, test a few keys and modifiers so you know the layout recognized by the tablet before proceeding to configuration. Once paired, set the keyboard layout to match labels. Mismatches cause swapped characters. You should change modifier behavior and media keys in the tablet's keyboard or companion app so shortcuts work reliably. Make sure key repeat rate and delay suit typing speed. This prevents accidental double letters. If you use a keyboard shortcut-heavy app, map essential commands to accessible keys so workflow stays fast. Finally, test text editing, arrow navigation, and app switching. To finish, secure the keyboard and tablet so movement won't break the connection. Route cables neatly if wired. Once done, check for firmware updates for both devices to fix known bugs and improve battery life. If keys misbehave, repair the keyboard first, then do a hardware reset on the keyboard. Many issues clear with a reset. If problems persist, make sure battery is charged and tablet Bluetooth drivers or permissions are enabled. Those steps usually resolve the last few hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.